So I simply wanted to update my Mac that I've been using for a while now. It's an expensive one. I was using a 2012 MacBook Pro Retina that was upgraded with 16 gigs of RAM at the moment. And so I'm going to see how the new Mac Mini, the basic one, works. I bought a mouse and a keyboard on Vinted, and I bought a monitor from Argus, and I want to see how it does. Because all I use it for is really a little bit of video editing using iMovie, and maybe some work on Pages, and the internet really, but that's about it. There is a speaker in the Mac, which is, I didn't realise there would be one that plays the sound so well, as I was going to get some external ones, but I don't know if I'll bother now. But yeah, I bought this Acer monitor. It's cheap and cheerful. It's relatively good definition. If I get quite close, obviously you can see the pixels. It's not 4K, but for me, it will do just fine. So let me know, do you use your Mac for video editing? Have you tried the new Mac Mini? I have to say it's very small. As I'm sure you've probably seen, everyone's reviewing it. It's just my 2 penneth worth. And I meant to say, I'm going to create 4K video in iMovie. I'm going to try and make it quite complicated in my terms. And I'm going to compare them time-wise, because this one during its peak was incredibly powerful and it's still very good. I just want to see how this one outperforms it.